At Gold Star Plumbing and Drain, giving back is part of who we are. We're proud to honor our everyday heroes, police, firefighters, and teachers with 10% off all plumbing services. From leaky toilets to clogged drains to water heater repairs, our team delivers expert care you can trust. This is our way of saying thank you for keeping our community safe, strong, and educated. Call Gold Star Plumbing and Drain at 480-933-5721 for Tempe, Arizona, 480-863-2767 for Gilbert, Arizona, 928-612-3687 for Flagstaff, Arizona, or 928-813-3252 for Prescott Valley, Arizona, or visit www.goldstarplumbingaz.com to schedule your service today.